Hi guys, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of August 21st, 2018. The charts that I stare at all day that are given to us in this presentation are from Genesis and the Trade Navigator software. And in looking at a weekly bond market chart here, this nice little wave pattern has existed for the vast majority of the year, and it's just a big old sideways deal. But this week has kind of been a little surprising. We were kind of looking for them to open and head down to, let's call this the 143.24 area, and if they could find support there, then they could take a shot up. But they went up first. The 4508 area, which was resistance last week and was again, or should be again this week, it's not really strong resistance. What I mean is, I really think the highs up here above 146 for the whole congestion area, 4608 to be exact, that's kind of what I think is the primary resistance. That's the most interesting area if they can get up there. And if instead going up first and into this resistance, if that's going to throw them back down, that's going to confuse the issue. Of course, the issue is going to be confused enough this week because we have both the meeting minutes from the last Fed meeting released Wednesday afternoon, and we have an economic symposium in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, where the Fed chairman is going to speak on Friday. Both of those things are being looked at for clues as to the next direction of monetary policy, and especially with the Fed's speech, you got to worry about what if they don't like what he says, or what if they don't like that he doesn't say much, because Fed speak is like saying a lot without saying anything. So, they still have the chance to go down and hold 143.24 this week, but because they're up early, you got to wonder if they're going to turn back down from here without going to the 146 area. Of course, if they break out above 146.09, then, who knows? Things are wonderful and rates are going down again, I guess, although I can't imagine the Fed saying that. Stocks, well, similar situation, sort of. We were looking for support roughly in the 28.35 area, and instead they just opened and went up to resistance. This is 28.72.73. Honestly, didn't expect that to be much resistance this week. I can't imagine them coming this close to the upper Keltner and the old highs without trying them. And now it looks like they've been rejected from this, we'll call it marginal resistance. Now, if that's the case, this support here at 28.35 may not even be good, and they may go down closer to the 2800 area. But again, with them being up this high, you would expect they'd at least go challenge this high and do a full-blown test of it up here. Again, we have the similar situation. The Fed meeting minutes not released until late Wednesday afternoon. And then the Fed governor, or the Fed chairman, I mean, speaking Friday in Jackson Hole. So much focus on that and no guarantee that he's really going to say anything. So it's a very difficult week to assume that you know what's going to happen. But the key point here is to watch this resistance in the 28.72.73 area. That's that little blue line right up there. I really didn't think it should hold. If it does, that actually could be a pretty fair negative for the market. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get your